In this video, I'm going to show you how to extend the Zoom meeting time limit step by step. If you're using Zoom for classes, meetings, or client calls, and your session keeps ending after 40 minutes, this guide will help you understand exactly what to do. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I'll keep everything simple and easy to follow. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the Zoom time limit. If you're using the free basic plan on Zoom, group meetings with 3 or more participants are usually limited to 40 minutes. To extend your meeting time, you'll need to upgrade your plan or use certain official alternatives provided by Zoom. Step 2. Log in to Zoom. Open your browser and go to the official Zoom website. Sign in to your account. Make sure you are logged in as the account owner or admin so you can manage billing and plan settings. Step 3. Check your current plan. Once logged in, click on your profile in the top right corner. Go to Account Management, then click on Billing. Here, you'll see your current Zoom plan. If you're on the basic, free plan, you'll need to upgrade to remove the 40-minute limit. Step 4. Upgrade your plan. Inside the Billing section, click Upgrade Plan. Choose a paid plan such as Pro. The Pro plan typically removes the 40-minute limit and allows meetings up to 30 hours per session. Select your plan, complete the payment process, and confirm the upgrade. Step 5. Verify the time limit is removed. After upgrading, go back to your Zoom dashboard, start a new meeting, and check that the time limit warning no longer appears. You can now host longer meetings without interruption. Alternative option. If you don't want to upgrade, you can end the meeting before 40 minutes and restart it using the same link. Schedule multiple sessions in advance. Host one-on-one meetings, which usually do not have the 40-minute limit on the free plan. However, upgrading is the most reliable way to permanently extend the time limit. Important note: Zoom occasionally runs promotions that temporarily remove the 40-minute limit for certain accounts or during special events. If that applies to you, you may not need to upgrade immediately. And that's it. That's how you extend the Zoom meeting time limit step by step in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.